In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for birthday reminders. Let's dive in. We've all been there scrambling at the last minute to send a birthday message or get a gift because we've forgotten a loved one's birthday. Wouldn't it be great if we could get ahead of this and never forget a birthday again? Well, Google Calendar can be your ally in this mission. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Calendar. Simply head to the Google Calendar website. You'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and type in your email and password, then click Next. This will take you directly to your calendar, displaying the current month. Once you're in Google Calendar, let's ensure that the birthdays of your contacts are visible. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a list of different calendars under My Calendars. Look for a checkbox titled Birthdays. If it is unchecked, click on it. This action makes sure that the birthdays saved in your Google Contacts are automatically displayed on your calendar. It's crucial because without this step, you won't see any birthday reminders. Now, what if the birthday you need to be reminded of isn't already in your Google Contacts? No worries, we'll fix that. Navigate to Google Contacts by opening a new tab and heading to the Google Contacts page. Here is where you'll add a new contact. Look for the Create Contact button. It's usually marked with a plus sign, plus, and located towards the top left of the page. Click on it. A form will appear asking for details about your new contact. Start by typing in the name of the person whose birthday you wish to remember. Then it's crucial to fill in their birth date. There will be a specific field for this information, often labelled birthday. Choose the appropriate date. After you've entered the name and birthday, don't forget to save your new contact. There should be a Save button at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Click it and voila, the contact is now part of your address book. By following these steps, you've now ensured that this newly added birthday, as well as all others in your Google Contacts, will be visible on your Google Calendar. This means as each birthday nears, Google Calendar will automatically remind you. No more last-minute rushes or forgotten wishes. And there you have it. A simple, foolproof way to keep track of birthdays using Google Calendar. Remember, the beauty of Google Calendar is that it's accessible from any device at anywhere as long as you have internet access. So, whether you're on your phone, tablet or computer, you can stay on top of those important dates. We hope this tutorial helps you stay connected with your loved ones and make their special days even more memorable.